International Day of Older Persons, 1st October. The United Nations International Day of Older Persons is celebrated annually on October 1 to recognize the contributions of older persons and to examine issues that affect their lives. History. On December 14, 1990, the UN General Assembly made October 1 as the International Day of Older Persons, following up on initiatives such as the Vienna International Plan of Action on Aging, which was adopted by the 1982 World Assembly on Aging and endorsed later that year by the Assembly. The International Day of Older Persons was observed for the first time throughout the world on October 1, 1991. In 1991, the UN General Assembly adopted the United Nations Principles for Older Persons. In 2002, the Second World Assembly on Aging adopted the Madrid International Plan of Action on Aging to respond to the opportunities and challenges of population aging in the 21st century and to promote the development of a society for all ages. Observance. International Day of Older Persons is a special day for older persons or senior citizens all over the world. In many countries, politicians make speeches, particularly those responsible for government departments, that focus on senior citizens at this time of the year. Some radios, televisions, or newspapers publish interviews with senior citizens on various issues such as achievements they made to create a better society. Other activities surrounding this day includes displays of promotional material on International Day of Older Persons in schools, tertiary institutions, office buildings and public notice boards, media announcements on the day, and activities that promote older persons and intergenerational cooperation on voluntary activities focused on the environment, health education or community services. The World Health Organization (WHO), which is the UN's directing and coordinating authority for health-related issues, and other groups have been actively involved in promoting public awareness and attention on the International Day of Older Persons. Discussions are centered on topics such as aging populations and the provision of adequate health care for aged persons, volunteer work, social care, and ways to be more inclusive of older persons in the workforce.